Hello again, it's Mr. K, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this little contraption here. This is the firing mechanism, and you can see as I let go it fires the marble forward, and the marble can run down and follow on its route that you can plan. So this is the mechanism. It's a reciprocating motion, and I'm going to show you how to start making this now. So I'll move this. First of all, we need some card. Yeah, we need a craft knife, and we've got a safety ruler, all really important. And I've marked off on here a measure about 6 centimeters, 60 millimeters, and I'm going to cut a slice with my craft knife, putting the craft knife along the edge of the safety rule. Notice where my fingers are. My fingers are inside here, not overhanging, and there is my piece. Doesn't really matter how long it is, because you can cut this to length to suit you. That's about 6 centimeters. I'm going to cut another one which is slightly bigger. I'm going to cut this one around about 8 centimeters. So I'm just going to get my little rule here, and I'm just going to mark on, and that's 8 centimeters there. So again, I'm going to mark here on a hold the safety ruler, fingers in the correct place, as you can see here. Yeah, can you see fingers in the correct place? Safety ruler here, cutting into the edge. You don't have to push too hard. 3 or 4, maybe 5. So you're not pushing too hard, and then that piece comes away as well. So we need this piece here, which is slightly wider, can you see, than that. So let's put this others to one side. The big piece first. Now I'm going to measure in about 2 centimeters. So again, with my ruler, I'm going to measure 2 centimeters in. Here we are, 2 centimeters in. 1, 2. I'm going to put a mark there. And on the other side, 2 centimeters in, and put another mark there. There we go. So I've made 2 marks, one here and one here. Maybe just can't see them. And then this time I'm going to score. Not going to cut through, I'm going to score, which means I'm just going to do it very lightly, maybe twice at the very most. Yeah, and so you can see the line now, and I'm going to bend that line over, so if you score it, it bends really easy. Can you see? Yeah, it bends really easy. So I've got something like this. I'm going to do the other side the same. So I'm going to score, just score this. Not too hard. Don't want to go all the way through. I just want to put a line in as a guide to bend. So now I've got something like this. Can you see? So it's bent over. I'm going to cut this to length. I think it might be a bit big. So I'm going to, and then this time I need to cut through. Always notice fingers on the safety ruler here. So let's just cut through that 3 or 4 more times, and I can get rid of that. So now I've just got this little piece here. All right, that's stage 1. Now you need to do the same again with the smaller piece. Exactly the same again. So this time I'm going to measure 2 centimeters in, and put a mark on here, and 2 centimeters in from the other side, put a mark on there. And again, I'm going to score down each one. Not too hard. There's my first line. Yeah, can you see that? And I'm going to bend that over. There it is. And I'm going to do the same on the opposite side. So we get the ruler in place. Safety ruler, of course, all the time. Fingers inside. Craft knife, so your fingers are well away. So you still got all your fingers intact after the lesson. Fold that over, and so we've got there. So we've got this little one here and a big one. Now what we're going to do, we're going to put the little one inside the big one, so it looks a bit like that, and then we're going to hot glue gun them in. So we're going to hot glue them in together so it overlaps a little bit here at the front. You can see that? So I don't want it right up to the edge. I want to overlap it a little bit here at the front.